Hello friends, good morning. Today my topic is coefficient of variation. In this topic we will compare two batsmen, two friends, two classmates to solve which is more consistent in coefficient of variation. Okay, let's see. The equation of coefficient of variation equal to sigma upon x bar into 100 where sigma is our standard deviation and x bar is our mean. We have already seen what is sigma and what is mean. Okay, let's see one example that where coefficient of variation is used. Okay, that let's see one example. The runs scored by two batsmen A and B in 9 consecutive matches are given below, and this is the question that runs of A and B is given, and you want to find the which batsman is more consistent, right? This is my question, that I want to find which batsman is more consistent from two. Okay, એટલે હું એમ કહું છું કે એક કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ વેરિએશનમાં વેરિએશન તમારે ડિફાઇન કરવાનું છે કે જે પર્સનનું જે બેટ્સમેનનું, સપોઝ અહીંયા બેટ્સમેન છે એ અને બી, તો એ અને બીનું કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ વેરિએશન ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે. તો કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ વેરિએશનમાં જેનું વેરિએશન લેસ હશે, સપોઝ એનું વેરિએશન 2 છે અને બીનું વેરિએશન 3 છે, તો એ ઇઝ મોર A is more consistent than B. This is my answer, that A less than B, right? Then so we can say that A is more consistent than B. Okay, so in coefficient of variation we want two steps. First is sigma and then x bar, and this is for percentage, right? Okay, that what is my first process, that I will find sigma of A and x bar of A, then sigma of B and x bar of B, and then I will compare which is less or which is greater than, right? Okay, and this is my question, that the runs scored by two batsmen A and B in 9 consecutive matches is given, then A and B is given, that right? Okay, and which is more consistent? Then I will find standard deviation of A and mean of A, and standard deviation of B and mean of B, right? Okay, that let's see what is n. N means number of elements. There are 9 elements, because this is already given, and if you will calculate that, it will also 9, that in 9 consecutive matches, so n equal to 9. Then for batsman A, right? Okay, sigma x A, okay, and summation of all elements of A, right? Okay, this is summation of all elements of A, this is right. Okay, already given. I will take here 85, that summation of all element of 85, 20, 62, 28, 74, 5, 69, 4 and 13. Okay, that all elements I will add. Okay, then x square A, then square of each element, that 85 square, 20 square, 62 square, 28 square, 74 square, 5 square, 69 square, 4 square, 9 square and 13 square, and the summation of all elements, and this is sigma x square A is 22700. Then I will find standard deviation for A, right? Okay, for standard deviation of A is called sigma A, that sigma x square A upon n minus sigma x A upon n whole square, right? That I have already two values, that sigma x square, that it is 22700 upon n means number of elements, there are 9 elements, minus sigma x A, this is 360 upon n means 9. Okay, all square, that sigma A, expansion of this, simplification of this, and then square root of this, it will give 30.37, and then I will find x bar. For x bar, there is sigma x A upon n, right? That 360 upon 9, this is 40. Okay, then let's see for batsman B, that then I will calculate the coefficient of variation for A, that sigma A upon XA into 100, that I have already sigma A is this and then sigma X bar is this, right, 400 into 100, then simplification of this I will get this and I will apply it for percentage, that coefficient of variation for batsman is 75 percentage. Okay, उसका वेरिएशन क्या है 75%, then for I will find for B, that same process for B, that first find sigma XB. Okay, then total summation of values of B, that I have all values of B. Okay, summation of these values and then its square, right, and its simplification, right, XB upon X square B, right. Okay, then XB equal to, okay, let's find the standard deviation for batsman B, that I already equation that sigma X square B upon N into XB minus XB upon N all square and then square root, then simplification of this. Okay, I have already all these values, that I will get 21.28 and for X bar, that X upon N, and it is 33, and then I will find coefficient of variation for batsman B. It will be the same formula of A, that XB sigma upon X bar into 100, then the simplification of this I will get 64.18%. Okay, then let's see that for sigma A it is 75%, sorry, it was 75%, and for sigma B it was 64, that I have already said that which is less than another things, then it will more consistent. Okay, that here sigma B, coefficient of variation of B is less than coefficient of variation of B, was this is almost approximate 75, this is approximate 64, so it is more consistent, right, it is more consistent than that. Clear? Okay. એટલે કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ વેરિએશનમાં એ ટાઈપનો હોય છે કે તમને બે વર્ઝન ઓલરેડી આપેલા હોય છે એ અને બી, અને એ માટે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ડેવિએશન અને એક્સ બાર ફાઇન્ડ કરો અને એનું કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ વેરિએશન મળી જશે. મીન્સ જ્યારે તમારે બે પર્સન વચ્ચેની કમ્પેરિઝન કરીને એવું પ્રૂવ કરવું છે કે કયો સારો છે, તો એના માટે તમારે સ્પેશિયલી કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ વેરિએશનનો યુઝ થાય છે. ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું ને? આમાં બેટ્સમેનની જગ્યાએ કંપની આપી શકે, સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આપી શકે, ક્લાસમેટ્સ આપી શકે, કોઈ પણ આપી શકે. તમારે વેલ્યુ સમજવાની છે કે વોટ ઇઝ એ, વોટ ઇઝ બી એન્ડ વોટ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ ફોર ધેટ પ્રોસેસ. ક્લિયર? થેન્ક યુ.